Hey everyone, it's your boy P12 here, and today we are unboxing the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium Dual SIM. This bad boy has a 3GB RAM, a 32GB memory which is extendable to 128, a 5.5-inch 4K display, and according to Sony it can hold up to 5.5 hours on a 10 minutes charge. So let's get into it. As you can see, I bought this from souq.com and it was a pretty quick delivery. Let's get it opened. So right off the bat we have the phone right here, which is in the chrome colorway. For a minute, just keep this aside and see what else comes in the box. So we have the screen protector, which is pretty good because only Sony provides these with the phone. And then we have the earphones. Let's get these out. These are the Sony premium earphones. As you can see, this is made in China, and there is some Sony paperwork here which no one reads. So this is a cable. It's a fast charging type C cable. And this is used to connect the USB from a phone. And here we have the charger, which has a 2.1 ampere output. Now let's get into the phone. It also has a fingerprint sensor, and it already comes installed with a screen protector. So they have given actually two screen protectors to us in just one packet. So you can see it's getting on right now. The chrome colorway is really good. It looks really fresh. It also has NFC and has a 23 megapixel camera and a 8 megapixel front camera. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for the review of the same phone. Thank you.